everybody, Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Fashom unboxing. I am so glad that you have joined me to see what's inside this Fashom style box. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm so glad that you are here, and I sure hope that you will subscribe and join me for more videos about women's clothing. Yeah, my Fashom box arrived. This is a style subscription company. This one is pretty special because it is very, very affordable. You can access Fashom either through their website, or they also have an app if you prefer that, and you will take a style profile and get hooked up with a stylist. You can also select your stylist. My stylist for the past few boxes has been Morgan. If you would like to request my stylist, just ask for Morgan. Then my stylist curates a collection of pieces that she thinks I might like. She emails me, lets me know that she has got everything ready, and I can look at it and accept or decline the pieces that she has suggested. You can have 5 pieces sent to you. So I have 5 summer tops. I believe everything in here is a top. That's what I have requested. That's what I am shopping for right now. So let's get in this box and see what we have. Okay, this is the inside of my box. This clothing wants to escape. On the top, we do have an envelope. This has a note from my stylist and the invoice, and then they also enclose a mailer. This is done through the post office. Anything that I don't want or that doesn't work for me, I just put it in this bag, drop it off at the post office, postage free, easy breezy. All right, here is my wee little bundle. Wow, we've got some funky colors, polka dots. I love polka dots, and they don't send me polka dots very often, so this looks good. Okay, on the top, we have a very, very interesting print and color. This is oranges, yellows, and pinks, and it's not even a geometric style, just kind of an abstract print there. This is a split neck top. Is it a V? Looks like a V. Is it tab sleeve? No tab sleeve. That makes me happy. This looks like a 3/4 sleeve. The brand on this one is APNY apparel. So, size medium. It might be a rayon blouse. I'll check the fabric and let you know in the try-on. Okay, next up we have a beautiful color and a really extremely soft tank top. This is kind of a V-neck, but also a scoop neck. It looks like it's going to be pretty deep, and the same neckline in the back. And I like this color though, very pretty. Who are you? Oh my goodness, this is Natural Life. And Natural Life is a brand that Fashom turned me on to, and they make the softest clothing perhaps in the whole wide world. This one is, yeah, pretty nice. I hope it works. Polka dots. We have polka dots. Who are you? This is Freeloader. Ooh, I don't like that name, but okay, this is kind of a tunic length tank. It's a flowy tank. This is almost a rust color. V-neck, that looks promising. Polka dots, very, very soft, and it is a rounded hemline, longer in the back. I like this one, and I have some rust colored espadrilles. This will pair nicely with. Okay, next we have, I don't know why this surprises me. I did see it in the preview, and oh my goodness, yes, this is by the brand Crescent, and this is a kimono. And this is a kimono with cactus on it. I do like the color of this kimono. It's a pretty kind of cornflower blue color, and the cactus have some peach color in them. There's also some black. The arrows there are black and some white. So I like the color on this one. I'm not a real big kimono wearer. I think they have a bathrobe vibe, but I did like the print on this one, so I said go ahead and send it. And the last piece in this box is by Staccato, and this is a very boxy looking top. This is a striped top. Look at all those colors, purple and mustard, and that's a navy blue. There's green and pink. This looks to be a V-neck, so I like that. It does have cap sleeves, and wow, it is so wrinkled. It is so terribly wrinkled. I have a feeling this is rayon. Okay, I'll try it on and we'll see how it looks, but right off the bat, look how big that is. It just looks like a boxy fit, which isn't a good look on. Fashom is not a monthly subscription service. In fact, this box is completely on demand. You go online or go on the app and just push the button saying, send me my Fashom, and the stylist quickly put a box together for you. Inside that envelope is a card that tells you everything you need to know about your try-on period. Fashom is doing something new. This is my first box where if I keep everything in the box, you get a 30% discount, a 30% buy all discount. But if you keep 3 items, you get a 25% discount. So those are fabulous discounts with Fashom. To get your Fashom box, there is a $15 styling fee, and that fee comes off anything that you keep in the box. You can try Fashom absolutely risk-free for your first 2 style boxes. If you use my referral link, it's in the description box below, and you will also get $10 credit off your first box. In return, Fashom does offer me $10 credit every time someone signs up using my link. Thank you to everyone that has used my link. I have accumulated a bunch of credit because I didn't know that it doesn't automatically come off your purchases. So yeah, I could potentially use all of my credit on this box if I choose to, or I can save it. So I kind of like that feature as well with Fashom. So this entire box, all 5 items, is $195, and now that buy all discount, the 30% would take $58.50 off, leaving a total of $136.50. $136.50, that is really inexpensive for a style box. In fact, that is probably the rock bottom price that I would ever have to pay for a style box. Let's talk about each individual piece. Okay, first up is the APNY. They call this the Aztec Tunic, and I really appreciate this kind of funky design. I love the colors. It's almost like a watercolor design on it, the way they put those colors together. This is very, very sheer fabric, so I do have to wear a camisole underneath it. I like the 3/4 sleeves. I love that it's not a tab sleeve. That's kind of refreshing. I'm getting kind of tired of tab sleeve tops. I like the length on this top. What I don't like about this top is that it is 100% rayon. In fact, almost all the pieces in this box are rayon, and that's really disappointing to me. You guys could already see the wrinkling in this. It came wrinkled, and I can steam it. It's going to wrinkle. That's my beef with rayon. This one is $58. I would keep it in a heartbeat if it wasn't rayon, because I think it's very, very unusual, but I'm not doing rayon. I'm just not going to do it. Okay, next up is this beautiful blue tank top by Natural Life. They call this the micro modal tank top. It's really soft. The fabric is great. It's modal cotton, and it has a pajama vibe to me. That's what I think when I put it on. I normally wear a cami. I like my camis to be form-fitting because I use them as layering pieces to kind of smooth everything out. This does not do that at all, and it is see-through, so I would have to wear a cami under a cami. This is only $33, but I think that I can find a tank top that will be more versatile than this. Honestly, if I bought this, I would be sleeping in this. It would be great to sleep in, but I think $33 is too expensive for a tank top to sleep in. So I'm going to send this one back, and this is probably the best fabric content that I was sent. It just is too pajama-ish-y. Yeah. The polka dots, I like the polka dots. What do you think about this one? Now, this one is by the brand Freeloader. It's $35. This one is also rayon, but this is a rayon blend. This is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. You see it has a lot of stretch in it. And I normally don't mind a rayon blend. I'm wondering, though, if this is going to shrink. This is a cotton feel to it, so it feels very nice. I think the V-neck is done well. I did have a cami on underneath this, but I don't think this one is see-through. I think I could wear it without that cami. The armholes were a little bit big. You could see the cami underneath. I do like the flow of this one, and I think it will flow better without a cotton cami underneath it. $35. It matches my espadrilles very nicely. I like this one. This is probably a keeper. What do you think about this one? Did you like the silhouette? The Cactus kimono. This one is $33. The label says Crescent and my invoice says Paper Moon. I'm just going to trust the label that this is Crescent, a brand I've never heard of. I do think that the print is very pretty and a lot of fun. This would be fun for spring and summer. I say that I want to be a kimono wearer. I bought several kimonos last summer and I didn't wear any of them. I might still have a few in my closet. I think I gave them away because the oversized flowy look just reminds me of a bathrobe, and I've never been comfortable wearing one. When I saw this fun print in my preview, I thought I would try it. It's only $33. The biggest downfall to this particular kimono is that it's 100% rayon. You can already see the wrinkles in it, and it's only going to wrinkle more with wear. So any thoughts on this one? I mean, what would be the ideal fabric for a kimono? I'm going to have to think about that one because I would love to wear a kimono. I just don't think this one is the one for me. And the last colorful top is by Staccato. This is a drop shoulder top. It almost has that dolman look going for it. Very boxy top, 100% rayon. This one is $38. I love the colors on this top. I like the stripes on this top. This top is probably meant to be big and loose and oversized, and it doesn't do anything for my figure. The rayon doesn't do anything to make me happy. This one's going back as well. I mean, what do you guys think about this one? Again, it came to me so super wrinkled, and even after a steaming, it's going to be wrinkly. For $38, I think Fashom can do better. I think I need to let my stylist at Fashom know that I just won't purchase 100% rayon. I've tried that experiment too many times. I'm always disappointed. The fabric doesn't work well for me. I think my stylist did a great job of sending me fun, colorful, whimsical tops and even the kimono. If it was any other fabric, I think I would add it to my collection. This is all I'm thinking about keeping. Again, this is 95% rayon. So if anyone has any experience with a rayon spandex blend and you can tell me how it washes and wears, I would really, really appreciate that, because this $35 tank, I think I might need this in my life. This has been a lot of fun. I always enjoy my Fashom. Unfortunately, I didn't get anywhere near the discounts with this box, but I am very excited about the new discounts they are rolling out at Fashom. I do have more boxes and more fashions to share with you very, very soon. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any videos that I make. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up? I really appreciate all of your support. I'll see you in the next one. Blessings.